A few moments later. Thousand years later. One eternity later. A few moments later.